I'm here with my very annoying little sister.
Hi.
And doing as the title says.
Yeah.
I'm really embarrassed. I'm wearing black shades and I wear glasses but I can't see anything, but we have a nice pink cloud slime.
I just want a
comes
pink slime. That's all.
A nice peach thing. And
Slime.
the cloud slime's very stretchy. What are you doing? Are you putting that back?
Yeah.
Is it nice and stretchy?
Yeah.
It's nice
And it's
pink colour.
Pink and white. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. It's my saucy.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi. YouTube.
She is 2 years old.
I think.
Turning 3 January. Happy New Year, you guys.
Yeah.
But here it
Dude.
is. Very stretchy.
Not swing, I think.
Okay. I have no clue what she's saying right now.
Yeah.
Are you good, guys?
Yeah, it's that.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
I'm really embarrassed because I can hardly see anything. And if you hear any music in the background, please don't mind that. It's very stretchy. I'm really excited for the fireworks tonight. Really hyped about it. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's the pink cloud slime.
Yeah. Pink and white.
That comes with that nice peach charm. We put it in here. Anyway, you know what one should we do next? I mean, she really wants me to do this one. It's a hot pink slime. And it comes with a really cute watermelon lollipop charm. I prefer not to do it with charms because I have a finger that has a half a nail and it kind of hurts me when I hit it too hard in the slime. But here it is. Oh, it's not too stretchy, is it?
Yeah.
It's a nice.
It's blacky.
Yeah, really stretchy. It's a nice pink. It's kind of like an extend when you stretch it.
Yeah,
it
I
kind of rips.
So we should see one.
The only thing I don't like about these slimes is that when you touch them, they're very oily.
Yeah.
I wonder if I can. Yeah.
It's
really. It rips if you take too much and stretch it. But if you kind of do it slowly, it stretches. I got this from my aunt in America.
Yeah.
And they're really, really pretty. They're oily, but when you play with a lot of them, you get used to them.
Yeah.
It's a really good thing. And I really actually... Oh, I dropped that. Oh, wrong way. That's embarrassing when you fail. I really like the watermelon charm. It's like the hot pink slime, you know?
It's
really nice and smooth.
Nice. Yes, it really nice.
But the problem is that the charm has the slime on the back of it. When you put it in, it gets a lot of slime. It can create a lot of mess.
Yes.
Like you did.
Yes. No,
she did a lot of mess.
Don't make a mess.
What is that? Oh, yeah, just checking.
Yeah, swing. But you swing.
Oh my god. What are you doing?
I'm making a rainbow.
Your magic rainbow?
Yeah.
Right, I'll put that aside. Oh, I'll put that aside.
Like that.
Which one's the next one? Oh, I just read this. Yeah. I'm recording this on my legs. Ooh, this is a nice blue slime with a stitch, a nice stitch charm. Isn't it cute?
Yeah.
And here's the slime. It's
A
in a
bit-
good package.
It looks like
I'll put this charm aside.
it's purple and blue.
Okay,
It's
stretch.
over and stretch.
Oh, that's
Over.
good. Is it good?
Yeah. I do it.
Shake hand. Jesus. Are you a good girl?
Yeah. I think. And now we'll take my line.
Let me get some out for you guys.
One.
Oh. Here it is for you guys up close. It's really delicate slime.
Slime. It's slime together.
Kinda like the watermelon slime. If you take too much, excuse me, it rips.
What?
Oh, Nina, you need to go downstairs. Bye. Thanks for being in the video. Close the door after you. Oh, she's so cute. No, close the door. Thank you. It's a really smooth slime. These are cloud slimes, by the way. I can't remember if I mentioned it, but it's like a really firm slime. It's a little bit oily. A little bit. The other thing is though, as well, to get it out of the tin. So the next slime is a really nice slime actually, I think. Yeah. It's like it's a nice greenish bluish slime with a nice leaf. It actually shows really good in here. You know, it's really pretty. And I'll give it a stretch test. Oh, oops, I dropped it by accident. Okay, that kind of ripped. Oh, this is really stretchy. Let me just see how long. Yeah, does it? It really actually rips a lot. Maybe if I slowly pull. Yeah, this one's okay. No, that's a stretch. So. Whoa. That's pretty sticky. Where do I put this from? Oh, sorry. Sorry. I keep forgetting I'm recording it on my legs. It's really smooth, so hold on there. It's so painful having these sunglasses on because I have short vision and I wear glasses. Where are the glasses? I'll find them after. Oh, you know what? I should be taking them out. I'll show you a nice picture of the slimes all in their boxes or tins. I don't know what you call them. Wait. I need to hurry because I have a limited time on recording, I think. Only let me record up to 9 minutes, are you sure? Because that happened to me a lot. So I'm kind of in a rush. Oh, they didn't come on properly. Damn it. On. Well, I won't wait till 100 subs. I just showed you guys my face by accident. Well, I'm not really embarrassed anymore. Because I thought people would make fun of me. Because my character, Potato, is a boy. But I'm actually just a girl. Oh, there's my glasses. They're nice emoji ones. That can change. So, there's my, there's all the slimes with the charms on top. Sorry for the mess in the background. Sorry, I need to clean my room. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoy my video. Bye. Also, even if this is 10 minutes, I can't get money from doing YouTube. So bye. Please subscribe and like and stuff.